Hey guys, Trent with PVC Bendit. So a few days ago, I was watching a show on Animal Planet called Tanked. And on the show, guys named Wade King and Brett Raymer, who work for Acrylic Tank Manufacturing, also known as the world's #1 aquarium builders, were at the time making a tank for Tracy Morgan, a really nice, beautiful shark tank in his pool house, actually. It was really neat. But at one part of the episode that really caught my attention, Wade was wanting to make a feeding rod out of PVC. And so what he did was heated a portion of PVC and wrapped it around an iron rod to resemble a coil. And then what he would do is place frozen food or live food in between the spaces of that PVC. Then he hooked up a fitting onto one end and then a longer portion of PVC to, I guess, act as a handle. And then you would place it in a fish tank and feed the fish. But in order to heat that PVC, he had to use a very specific tool, which was the PVC Bendit. So before we take a look at the clip of the episode that I watched, also just wanted to say all of the rights belong to Animal Planet and the show Tanked. This video is only for the purpose of saying thank you and giving a shout out to Acrylic Tank Manufacturing. It really does mean a lot to us considering they are the world's best aquarium makers. So thank you guys for watching, and now let's take a look.
My plan is to make a curly cube that holds the food at the end of a smaller acrylic feeding stick out of a PVC pipe. Got a heating rod right here. This thing gets really hot. So this goes in here. Start twisting the PVC nice and slow. Okay?
This reminds me of cooking a rotisserie chicken. You need to get it on a spindle and let it twist by
I keep spinning.
itself.
You're gonna burn it though. Okay, watch. See how flimsy this is? Oh. Okay, watch that rod. You don't want to burn anything.
Make sure you leave enough room for the food to cook.
Hold this end. This piece right here, real tight, all the way down before it cools off. And when this cools, it's gonna be solid as a rock. You see, I have different spaces. You have silver sides. Let's say you have a snapper. Let's say you have squid. You have different thicknesses, like a spring.
So for the different size foods.
Correct.
That was smart.
Okay, now watch this. Voila, come to the table. Now, feel this. A little flexible, right? Now don't forget, it's PVC. You can go in the water. You don't have to worry about it. This side, you put on the extension, like this piece right here. This is just like a little adapter here. Now watch this. Let me show you something. Okay, pretend this is frozen food. You put the food in here, right? This is hardcore, but the fish will go in there a lot easier. All right, so look. You get on top of the fish tank, you're ready to feed the fish, and go all the way